Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. Let's continue the same paper, RBI Assistant 2020 reasoning paper we have been doing. In the previous session, we have discussed some Shillism and blood relation questions. Today, as I told you in the previous session, in this session, we are going to discuss one question from puzzle and two from seating arrangement. If time allows, we go for directions also. Or else, in this session, I'll complete the puzzle and seating arrangement. In the next session, we are going to discuss directions, coded inequalities and miscellaneous questions in reasoning so that we can complete the reasoning section of 2020 RBI Assistant. See students, the first question, the first one I start with puzzle, one of the best questions this one. Even though this question is asked at the prelims level, it's a very good question to learn how to solve a puzzle. Particularly the beginners and the students who have a little amount of practice. I'm not talking about very advanced level students. Little amount of practice, you can improve many skills while solving a puzzle after watching this video. I'm pretty sure about that one. By the way students, already I have uploaded this one in our regular course, but still I'm giving this one for YouTube viewers also so that all the other students may be benefited. Okay, now let's start this one. As it is students, we start the puzzle by reading the base data. What is the base data they have given? See, base data I have given here and clues there to manage the space. Now you see what's the base data. 9 people they have given, A to J, simple information, had their joining in a particular company in different months. Jan, Feb, May, June, July, September, October, November and December of the same year, not necessarily in the same order. Very simple one. Only 2 columns are required. One is months followed by persons. That's it. Total 9 months, 9 persons. It is called a balanced question. You know that one. Only 2 columns are required. With which column we have to start? You know that one. If they have given, if are generally they give months, dates and days for some type of puzzles. This is one among them. When you come across that one, it is better to start with one order. So here months are given here. We will start with that one only because more or less they are in the same order. Alright, now let's start the question students. Anyway, we have read the base data. For space management, I just keep this one aside. As and when it is required, we are going to use this. Alright. Okay, now let's take this one. What are the months? Jan, Feb, May, June, July. Okay, I'm taking here. This is January. Just I'm writing J. Jan, Feb, followed by May, June, July. This is May, June, J-U I'm writing. July, J-L-Y. So that would be easier for us. Then September, October, November, December. September, October, November and December. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Quickly we will solve this one. Here only one more column is required. So this is the fair work. The persons will come here. Take the first data. H does not have the joining in the month which has 31 days. What do you mean by that one? H has not joined in the month which has 31 days. It should be less than 31 only. Less than 31 means that may be 30 or 28 or 29. That means Feb is accepted and along with that one, maybe a month where only 30 days are there. You got the idea? That is less than 31. So according to our methodology, you have to write the negative information on the left side. That means January is not suitable for H because that should be less than 31. On the left side, you can write this one. Or simply you write like this here, H not equal to 31 days. As and when it is required, I am going to bring that one onto the chart. Okay, what's the next information? C has the joining after A. Some students are getting confused here. C has joined after A means it may be immediately after A or there may be some people between A and C. Okay, we can't say conformably that it is immediate. So I am writing like this, C joining after A. After A means here I'll write C must be after A. This is A, somewhere after that one, that is C. But I don't know how many people are between these two. Maybe 0% or more than 0 also. Now go for the next information. Two people have the joining between A and F. Very, very important information. Alright, between A and F, two persons should come. But I don't know who is above, who is below, between A and F. Nothing is given. So already I have some information about A and C. Can't I correlate these two? A and C. A should be above, somewhere C is below. Between A and F there are two persons. Think carefully, students. Many possibilities are coming, isn't it? I cannot directly go for this one. I am just drawing alongside here A, 1, 2, F. One of the possibilities, or equally it can be F, 1, 2, A. Always start the puzzle with the cool mind, students. You can definitely crack any puzzle and every puzzle with the method I am showing now. Okay? Now, there is no use with this information. Keep it aside. What's the next one? E has the joining date after J. One more information. E after J. Somewhere after J. Even I cannot go for this one here. I am writing somewhere here after the J and E. Somewhere here. In between J and E. Some people may come, may not come. Okay. No correlation also. I cannot correlate this information with this. I cannot do anything. Keep it aside for some time. Then go for the next one. D has the joining before June. Good information. D has joining before June. Before June, how many months are there? Jan, Feb and May only. Now, D has joined before June, but not in the month which has more than 30 days. Confirmed information. Okay, so D should be before June. But he joined that month where less than 31 days are there. Less than 31 means January is ruled out and March is ruled out. So definitely this is Feb only. First success I have got. Okay, after getting this success, after getting some fair work, always you have to think in this way. Can I bring this one onto the chart directly or indirectly? Can I correlate one information with the other to get any hidden data? Okay, but think carefully, students. D is not connected with J, R, E, A, F or C there, directly or indirectly. No enough clue is given there. For that reason, keep that information there only, but always keep an eye on the rough data. As and when it is required, any remote possibility is there, try to correlate that one. Okay, right. Go for the next information here. DC is over. Fantastic information I got. Then start with this one. G has the joining before H. One more data. G has joining before H. So suppose this is G, somewhere it is H. Again, no connectivity is there. I can't do anything here, isn't it? Now, only one data is there. H is not in the month which has 31 days, but many months are there which are less than 31 here. So I cannot correlate H with G based on this information. Keep it aside. Then go for the next information, students here. What's the next one? Two people have the joining between B and C and both have the joining before E. One of the fantastic information here. Fantastic one. What exactly they have given here? Between B and C, there should be two people. And again, both B and C should be somewhere above E. At a time, B, C, between two people and E. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 places are more or less confirmed by and large. Let's take in this way. Between B and C, how many they have given? Two people. I'm writing this one here. It's a little valid data. Okay, it does not mean that it is not valid. As and when it is required, we'll come back to that one. Now, I may go like this. This is B, 1, 2, C. Okay. Both B and C are above E only. Above E means E is somewhere here. But remember, students, between C and E, some people may come, may not come. It may be 0 or more than 0 also. Remember that one, don't get confused. But between B and C, only two are there. This is one of the possibilities. What's the other possibility? C, 1, 2, B, somewhere that is E. Same rules are applicable here. Got the clarity? Now you see, can I correlate anything with this and this data? No. No common term is given here. Leave it. Now go for the next information, students. Three people have the joining between E and A. Fantastic information. 3 people between E and A. Now you see, we got the enough data. Now you see, relationship between E and A. A is already connected with C and F also, more or less. We don't have the conformity, but there is a relationship. Now there is another relationship between A and E. Between A and E, 3 persons are there. How to go for this one? By taking this also into consideration. A should be above C, somewhere above C. May not be immediately, somewhere above C. Now see students, if I keep 1, 2, 3 and A here, or 1, 2, 3 and A here, because between A and E there should be 3 persons. But both these possibilities are not possible, ruled out. Because if I keep A here or here, that is obviously below C only. But rule says, condition says that A should be above C. That means there is no place for A. There is no place for A. Let me take it out. No place for A here below E. That means A must be above E only. Now think for the possibility. How to go for this? Suppose I am taking this one, students. A must be above C. Between A and E there should be 3 persons. Alright, think carefully with cool mind. Suppose between C and B already definitely there are 2. If I want to keep A here above C, because A should be above C somewhere, then between A and E in that case there should be 3 persons. Now this is A, this is E, 1, 2, 3, 4 have come. Even if I take A's place immediately above C also, this arrangement is not possible. All of you got the clarity? Otherwise just pause the video, go back, rewind that one and listen to that point one more time. This possibility is ruled out because A should be above C only. Alright, even if I take immediately above C's position for A, between E and A there should be 3, but here it is 4. That means this possibility is ruled out. I got one more success. Alright, now only this is left out. Now where shall I keep A? Again 2 possibilities are there, right? For our understanding, let's write down that one because this is ruled out. What are the 2 possibilities, students, by the way? I can keep A here or here. Why that is so? Let us go for this one. Suppose I am keeping A here. Between A and E there should be 3 positions, isn't it? 3 positions means 3 places means 1, 2, 3. 3 means already this is E, no? So how to go for this one? Suppose this is A, 1, 2, because no person is there between this person and C. These are all consecutive places, right? Now 1, 2, one more person here, 3. Now between A and E, 3 persons are there, 1, 2, 3, and A is somewhere above C, fulfilled. That condition is fulfilled. But at the same time, students, one more possibility, taking A here, quickly go for this one. This is B, then 2 gaps, after that C, and E is somewhere here. Now I need to keep A here because there are only 2 possibilities. If I keep A here, think carefully, between E and A there should be 3 places. 3 means I cannot take any person between A and C because these 2 are consecutive places. Now 2 persons should be here. Now you got the idea? So this is B, 1 person, A, C, 2 persons, and E. Why we have to focus on this type of data? At a time many people can be accommodated on the chart. At a time many. Always focus on that. Now any data related to A and F? Of course yes. So between A and F 2 persons, 1, 2 it can be F, or 1, 2 it can be F. Again 2 possibilities, don't step into that. Even here also, this is A, 1, 2 it can be F, 1, 2 that can be F above B also somewhere. Keep it aside. As and when it is required, I am going to bring that one onto the chart confidently. You have to do in this way, students. Now you have finished almost 80% of the question. This is the right way. This is the way to solve the puzzle. Okay, now take the next data here. The last one they have given, 4 people have joining between J and D. Straightforward information. Already I have D here. Now 4 people should be there between J and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking this one as J. Check it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is J. How fantastic information. Now all the data are over. My job is to correlate one data with the other and try to go for the chart. Isn't it, students? Now take the possibilities. How is that? This is the best way I am telling you. Now try to bring this onto the chart by considering all these conditions. How to bring this one? Now I want to go for this. One information, students, your mind should work like anything I am telling you. All the possibilities should be taken into consideration. Now I am going to bring this data onto the chart. While bringing this data onto the chart, you focus on any one person, not all together. Because if you want to focus on B, subsequently these places are filled out. Or alternatively, if you focus on E, subsequently these places are filled up. I am focusing on E. Why on E? You should get this question. Why on C? Why not on B? Because here they have given one data. See, relationship between E and J. J's place is confirmed. E must be somewhere below J only. Now, below J, only 2 places are there. You can easily eliminate that one. Isn't it, students? Let us start this one. What if I keep E here? Let's think in this way. Suppose I am keeping E here. Is it possible or not? E, after one place, C should come. After one place, C. No. This is already J. This is the way to eliminate the things. You have to learn this process. Alright, next, E's place here, it is ruled out. I am taking out this. Okay, now this one, because I am going with this possibility. What if I keep E here? Yes, possible. After one place C, done. You have to think in your mind in this way. Then, after one place it is E, one place C, one place A. E here, one place C, one place, then it is A, I am not writing, A is done here. Okay, immediately above A, B should be there, B is done. Yes, this is a possibility. But very important information is there. What is that one? Regarding H. Your mind should work like this, students. I am telling you, I have done many experiments on puzzles for the last 24 years. Any puzzle, every puzzle must be solved by my students. Okay, now you see, H. If I keep E here, I started here. This place is done, this is done, this is done, this is vacant, done. Now, H should not be equal to 31. H is not accommodated in that month where 31 days are there. Now, H is not possible here because this is January 31 days. Not possible here. Already D, already over, July 31, not possible. Then this is September, but already one person is there. That's the reason why I keep dashes here. Not possible. J is there, not possible for H here. November, not possible because already E is there. This is December, but it is 31 days. That means if you keep E here, there is no place for J. Have you understood this point, students, right? I started with this one. If I keep E here, C's place already occupied by J. That is ruled out. If I keep E here, this is the way and there is no place for H in this arrangement. What do you mean by that? That means this possibility is ruled out. It is not there. Now I got the success. What if I'm on the verge of closing the question, right? How is that? Now I'll try with this data. How to go for this, but before that, let me clean it off. This position, no, this is no, July, okay, that's over. Now, how can I go ahead here? Where shall I keep E? Let's start in this way. E. I'm taking E's place here. Again, examination. You will do it very easily in the practice, but you should have good amount of practice. Now you see, I'm starting E here. Suppose this is E, 1, 2 places after 1, 2. 1, 2, it is C. Then A, 1 gap, B. This is A, this is 1 gap here, of course, this is gap, this is B. Yes, there is a possibility. That means keeping E at the bottom is a possibility. Then what about this one, students here? What about this one? Once again, let me clean it off. This is no, this is no, this is no, no, no. Now, take this one. What if I keep E here? If I keep E here, after 2 places above that, C should come. 1, 2, it is C. I am keeping a dash. Over. After C means above C, immediately A, 1 place B. This is A, 1 place, and this is B. But that is already occupied by D. Are you following this one, students? Right? That means I cannot keep E here. E has only 2 places because E should be below G. This one or this one, I examined E here, that is possible. But if I keep E here, D's place is getting controversy there. For that reason, I cannot keep E here. Now only 1 place left out for E is this one. First let me clear off this one. This is no, 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 done. Okay, now I am quickly keeping here E 2 places above that, then C. This is E. 1, 2 places, this is C. Simple one. Now above C, immediately A, 1 place B. This is A, 1 place, and this is B. How fantastic now. Now I need to go for H below 31 days. Below 31 days means anyway January, that is 31, H cannot be accommodated here. This is May, June 30 days. Yes, H can be here. Then November. Again November also 30 days. In that case H can be here. Both the places are there. Now what to do? Is there any other clue? Yes. This clue. A is connected with the F. Now already A's place is there. Between A and F, below or above, 2 places should be there. What is that? A, 1 to F. Okay. Or A, 1 to F. No, no, no. That is occupied by G. So now students here, this is A, 1 to, it must be F. Got it? Now H's place, only 2 places are left out for H previously before accommodating F. What were those 2 places? One is June, other one is November, 30 days. So F is already fixed here for November. That means June must be given to H. Done. Now how many places are left out? Only 1 place is left out. And what is left out? A, B, C, D. Okay, E, F, G is left out. G. Now this is G. What's the condition with G? G should be somewhere above H. Actually I have not utilized this one, but you need to check. Yes, G is somewhere above H. All the other conditions are fulfilled. This is the way, students. I hope you must have understood this one. One thing I would like to share with you, students. I have discussed more than I think 70-80 puzzle questions in our regular course. Different models. Even you can write CAT examination also with those puzzles I have done. I just went very in depth right from the basic level. If any student really wants to learn that one, I request them, I advise them otherwise to join the regular course, because in many competitive exams puzzle and seating arrangement plays a vital role. You should learn that one from some experts. I may consider myself as an expert because by the grace of God I am there in this field for the last 24 years. This is my 24th year. I thought of going for another 2 questions also in this session, students, but some construction work is going on just beside our studio only. Even the soundproof is not able to stop that one. Some noise is there. So we'll do one thing. Let's stop this session here only, and remaining 2 questions. Those 2 are very simple from the same paper. Seating arrangement. two parallel rows they have given. 5 are facing north, 5 are facing south. That is one. And 7 persons are seated around a circular table. I'll give fantastic methodology for even that also. Okay. Now some noise is there. Let's stop this one here. In the next session, I'll meet with those two questions along with remaining questions. Thank you so much, students.